Good morning everyone. If you don't know from my previous vlog, I'm currently in Southampton. We're having an early start today. It's currently 7 and I guess everyone's still sleeping. It's quite chilly, but we're going to have breakfast right now. I've just had breakfast and now we're here for our spa. Breakfast was so good, although I felt sick right after. Maybe because I was still so full from yesterday dinner. But yeah, we're having our second spa treatment today, which is head, neck and shoulder massage. We are now done with the spa. That's why I look like an egg, but we're going to get changed. We're going to get changed and then have a shower in our bedroom because the shampoo there is much better. I didn't get time to vlog after getting ready, but my husband surprised me. He didn't tell me where we're going, he just told me, look, I put this address, now drive. And I've driven. And we've come to the stables. Obviously I don't want to get people in there this far. We've come to Brokenhurst riding stables and we're going to ride a horse. Like, we have a 1 hour trail. We have a 1 hour trail going through the forest, and apparently we're going to see some wild animals as well. I'm so excited. The only downfall is that it's 2 p.m. and we were meant to be on one of those horses or ponies, but apparently they didn't have our booking because they didn't put it in the system. So they've done something special and they're taking me and my husband on the 1 hour trail all by ourselves, not in a group, and we're getting horses instead of ponies, so I'm so excited. We are having a little snack or lunch right now because there's no places here, so we're having this little pastry. I think there's apricot in there, and then this one is like a cinnamon swirl. We are just having a little walk while we wait for our time. And there's horses again, ponies. Oh, there's more. Hello.
Yeah.
Right. Just photograph once you're on, darling. Just up. Yeah. Go. Hopefully stop.
We've just done the horse riding and the goats are all out.
Take a slight right turn onto West Quay Road toward docks gates 4 to 10.
We've actually stayed here before in one of these apartments up here when we came last time, which was like a couple of years ago, and it was so good. We had the most amazing time riding the horses. It was so nice, it was so lovely. It was for an hour. It definitely felt longer, I think, because I was scared. Someone said he wasn't scared. I'm pretty sure he was at the start, but you do get used to it after. But yeah, it was really nice. Out in pain though, because I was getting cramps getting on and getting off, and yeah, we're just not used to it. It was really nice. Like, parked in I think in a multi-storage car. We're walking to Ottoman, which is I think a Turkish restaurant, so we're gonna have dinner. It's currently 5:15, I think. We're gonna have early dinner since we've not really had lunch, and then after that we're just gonna walk around in the high street and the West K shopping mall. We have reached, it's just right here. So we've just got some starters. I think that's some kind of bread, naan bread. Then we have olives and some sauce. We've got our drinks. This is mango, I think passion fruit something, and this one is coconut, pineapple, grenadine, and our food is here. It looks so good. And we also have some calamari here. We are currently in J.I. Chicken. chicken, getting some chicken for tomorrow for lunch. I know it's going to be cold, but we just want to have something that we can have just in case we don't find any shops to get food from. We are now walking up to the high street. Everywhere's closed. They close at 6 and we thought they close at 8. But that's fine. We're just having a little walk. Husband got his hair cut. That's why that took like an hour. But yeah, it would have been closed already anyways because we finished dinner at 6:30. And now we're just walking to let our food go down because I can't go to bed with a full stomach again. So Poundland is still open. We're gonna have a little wander into here. They have some cute Christmas clothes here. Look at this dress. It's so nice. Christmas jumpers. They have such good things here. Not that I use, but they seem quite good. This lint roller, I think it's only 80p, which is so cheap, but as you can see there's not much. But it's good for now to take these horse hairs out of my my trousers. And then we're also getting a foot pack so we can do later on. I've got shaving gel, cream thingy, and then some Gaviscon. We've just got back to our hotel and we had an amazing day today. It was full, fun, packed, tiring kind of day. I'm still in pain, my thighs, outer thighs this time, but yeah, we're gonna get some rest. We are going to put on our foot mask, foot pack. Okay, I'm tired. Clearly I'm tired and I can't speak. We're gonna put on our foot pack and then just relax for a bit and then call it a day. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!